Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Paper Mario, the Thousand-Year Door. To begin your adventure, you will first learn basic movement and how to interact with the world. Head to Rogaport, the bustling central hub, where your quest for the crystal stars begins. Pay close attention to the tutorial prompts, as they introduce the crucial action command system for combat. This initial phase sets the stage for your entire journey. Combat in Paper Mario is turn-based, but requires active participation. Master action commands by timing button presses for extra damage or defense. Accumulate star power to unleash devastating special moves, which can turn the tide of any battle. Furthermore, strategically equip badges to customize Mario's stats and grant him new abilities, offering hundreds of unique build possibilities. As you explore, Mario gains unique paper abilities, allowing him to fold into a paper airplane or boat to reach new areas and uncover secrets. Along your journey, you will recruit 7 distinct partners, each possessing unique field and battle skills. Utilize these partners to solve puzzles and overcome obstacles. Progress through the 8 main story chapters to advance the captivating narrative. To truly master the game, experiment with various badge combinations to create powerful character builds. There are over 80 badges to collect, offering immense customization. Don't forget to complete the numerous side quests, like the Trouble Center requests, for valuable rewards and experience points. Revisit previously explored areas with new abilities to uncover even more hidden secrets and items.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.